Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you are in need of a bit more power or just want to get all the performance out of your 2014 to 2018 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra with either the 5.3 or the 6.2 liter, then you might want to take a look at the BullyDog BDX programmer. This programmer comes with some preloaded tunes that will get you more power across the RPM range of your truck. This will in turn allow you to improve gas mileage, tow easier, or even sling some mud a bit higher if you really want to put it to the test. The easy-to-read display allows us to monitor different engine parameters and allows us to navigate the easy-to-use menu options. The quick functioning software allows us to quickly clear any trouble codes that we may get along the way, so there is no need to go to your local tech and have them clear any codes for you. It can easily be done right here. The BDX programmer also is easily updated. Being that this programmer has built-in Wi-Fi, we can easily sign into our local Wi-Fi network to make any updates that we could need along the way while using the programmer. Loading a tune can seem like a daunting task, but as I'm about to show you, it can be done in just a few minutes with just a few simple pushes of these buttons. When you first get the programmer, you will want to make sure that it is up to date with BullyDog's current software update. This can be done by signing on to your Wi-Fi network or on desktop using the device updater software. Once the device is updated with the latest software, we can plug in the programmer into our OBD2 port or into the dash. From there, the device will power up and open the main menu. Then we can turn the ignition on without the engine running. The main menu will show you the different options for this programmer. Since we are going to be loading a preset tune, we will select Program Vehicle to proceed with loading the tune. Following the prompts, we will sign into our Wi-Fi network to double check for the latest tune files from BullyDog. Once the device is updated with the latest tunes, we can proceed to making any adjustments prior to loading the tune. Following the prompts, verify that the information on the screen is correct and matches your engine type. At this point, we can adjust for proper octane rating with either 89, 91, or 93, or any other adjustments with the menu options. We can calibrate for axle ratio and even turn off the DOD. Once all the adjustments have been made, the next screen will start to load the tune with all the correct settings made. This process can take some time to complete since the BDX will have to update each module and ensure they are all going to work together. Once the tune is loaded, you will be asked to cycle the ignition a few times to ensure the tune is loaded properly. With all the information loaded, simply turn the ignition off and remove the programmer. There you have it, guys. It's just that simple to get a new tune in your truck. The BDX programmer has plenty of functions to ensure that your truck runs at the optimum level when it comes to maximizing fuel or ensuring that you can get through any tough terrain. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.